is a difficult time for all of us as a nation. The passing of one of our great sons, the Most Honorable Edward Seaga, who has served us so well, is a time of sadness. It is a moment for reflection which calls us as a nation, as a national family, to come together in celebration for a life that was devoted to outstanding service for building Jamaica and enriching its people. He is being accorded a state funeral. Condolence books have been opened for signing at the following locations: Office of the Prime Minister, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Condolence books will also be opened at each municipality office in all parish capitals and the House of Parliament. And that will be from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And Jamaica's missions overseas. On Wednesday, June 5, body lies in state in Kingston at the Jamaica Labour Party headquarters at Belmont Road from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. On Friday, June 7, at the Civic Center from 9 a.m. to noon in Montego Bay. And then the body will be taken to Ocho Rios, the St. John's Anglican Church, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday, June 10, at the Tivoli Gardens Community Center from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Also on Tuesday, June 11, at the Denham Town Community Center from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. On Tuesday, June 18, the arts in tribute to the Most Honorable Edward Seaga will be held at the Little Theatre in Kingston, featuring the National Dance Theatre Company, of which he was the last remaining patron. The Jamaica Folk Singers, of which he was instrumental in the formation of the Jamaica Folk Singers. Among the other groups performing will be the Tivoli Dance Company. There'll be spoken tributes and other performances. June 19 to June 22nd will be declared the official period of mourning. Flags to be flown at half-mast. And on that day, his body will lie in state in Kingston at the National Arena. Also, on June 19, there will be a special sitting of both Houses of Parliament in tribute to the Most Honorable Edward Seaga. And the sitting will begin at 2 p.m. The state funeral for the late Most Honorable Edward Seaga will be held on June 23 at the Cathedral of the Most Holy Trinity on North Street. The service will begin at 12 noon. Interment will be at the National Heroes Park